Today, I want to talk about something serious, that is feminism. And before you judge me, before you label me, let me say this first. I am also a girl, so this is not hate, this is not insecurity, this is a question. Because today, everyone is speaking about feminism, but very few people are actually thinking about it. सबसे पहला सवाल, फेमिनिज्म एक्चुअली है क्या? Most people say feminism means equality. Okay, equality. But then the real question starts. Equality in what? Equality in education? Yes. Equality in opportunities? Of course. Equality in respect? Definitely. But equality in power or control? Because somewhere the meaning is changing. अगर हिस्ट्री देखेंगे, feminism started as a fight for basic human rights. Women were not allowed to study. They had no voting rights. उनकी voice society में almost zero थी. Movements in countries like United States and United Kingdom gave women education, legal rights, dignity. And honestly, that feminism was necessary. That feminism was logical. And that feminism was fair. Without that struggle, many of us would not be here today. But today, something feels different. आज फेमिनिज्म कभी कभी मूवमेंट कम और रिएक्शन ज़्यादा लगता है, कभी कभी एम्पावरमेंट कम और एंगर ज़्यादा. एंड एज अ गर्ल आई वॉन्ट आस्क दिस ओपनली, आर वी फाइटिंग फॉर इक्वालिटी और आर वी फाइटिंग टू प्रूव दैट वी आर बेटर? बिकॉज इक्वालिटी builds बैलेंस, बट superiority build ईगो, और ईगो हर रिलेशनशिप को डिस्ट्रॉय करता है. लेट मी से समथिंग अनकम्फर्टेबल. Today, sometimes, if a man speaks, he is called toxic. If he disagrees, he is called insecure. If he defends himself, he is called anti-woman. But what if he is just human? What if he is also struggling because pain has no gender? मैं ये नहीं कह रही कि women suffer नहीं करती. Of course, they do. But men also suffer. बस उनकी suffering silent होती है. और रियल इक्वालिटी का मतलब होता है बोथ साइड्स को सुनना, नॉट कैंसलिंग वन साइड. अनदर क्वेश्चन, इज फेमिनिज्म अबाउट फ्रीडम? इफ यस, देन अगेन, फ्रीडम फ्रॉम व्हाट? फ्रीडम फ्रॉम इनजस्टिस? यस. फ्रीडम फ्रॉम वायलेंस? यस. फ्रीडम फ्रॉम डिस्क्रिमिनेशन? एब्सोल्युटली. बट फ्रीडम फ्रॉम रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी? नो. बिकॉज ट्रू एम्पावरमेंट मीन चॉइस प्लस अकाउंटेबिलिटी. अगर हम स्ट्रांग हैं तो हमें रेस्पॉन्सिबल भी होना होगा. आजकल स्ट्रेंथ का मतलब लाउड होना बन गया है, बट रियल स्ट्रेंथ इज काम. आज इंडिपेंडेंस का मतलब रिबेलियन बन गया है, बट रियल इंडिपेंडेंस इज सेल्फ कंट्रोल. आज मॉडर्न का मतलब ट्रेडिशंस को इंसल्ट करना बन गया है, बट रियल मॉडर्न थिंकिंग इज चूजिंग वाइजली. एज अ गर्ल, I don't want a world where women dominate men. I want a world where both respect each other, because men and women are not competitors. Society is not a battlefield, it is a system. और system तब strong होता है जब दोनों sides strong हो. So instead of asking, are you feminist? Let's ask something deeper. Are you fair? Are you balanced? Are you responsible? Are you ready to listen? Because labels change, trends change, but character never goes out of fashion. Maybe the future of feminism is not anger. Maybe the future is maturity, strong but calm, independent but respectful, confident but grounded. Because real empowerment does not create fear, it creates trust, and trust is more powerful than power.